It's a hot summer day. Let's paint a coneflower from the garden. Okay, you probably can't tell, but I did a quick outline, the center of the flower and where I want the petals to get to, and then the jar. Ooh, painting glass is scary. Gonna start with the center, probably. It's darker at the bottom and then some yellow orange at the top. And since this is just a quick painting, I'm not going to be using masking tape. I will wet the center first. So the colors blend a little bit easier. Then, ooh, lots of good choices. Maybe I'll start with some brown. I'll darken it later. And then some yellow gold. And then some cadmium yellow. I think this is deep cadmium yellow, but this is just the first layer. I'm gonna let that dry and mix some color for the glass. The glass is gonna be very diluted. And actually it's not gonna be brilliant blue, which means I have to tone it down with an opposite color. Some red. I don't have red. Can I use some of the pink? And that gave me purple, which I don't want. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the brown. There we go, doing like this. Yep, I like it. Okay. So really just the outline. Okay, it's just wet enough that everything stays soft. Because guess what? I forgot to erase my pencil lines. Okay, I'm happy with it. While I'm waiting for the center to dry, I'm going to paint the stem. I'm gonna grab some of my yellow from earlier. I just have like a dirty green palette that doesn't seem to want to go away. So the stem is not the star of the show. I can see some shadows from the stem on the glass. And then the light fractures. This will probably need to be corrected as it peeks through some of the petals. Okay, pretty good. Okay, I'm losing daylight and I'm not patient enough to wait for this to dry, and I have no idea where my heat gun is. So I'm gonna go with some pink. No, this is not pink. This is brilliant violet. And my apologies, that is pink. This is brilliant violet right here. I don't need much. This is a tiny painting. Okay. And we're gonna try and do the petals with one fell swoop. Whew. We'll see. Let's see. So far, so good. Okay, alternating which petals I'm painting. I don't mind if they touch, but I'm gonna give them a little bit of time to dry first before they overlap. All right, I added more petals. I darkened a little bit of the water area. I think now I'm gonna add maybe a few light lines. So it has kind of a big belly. When I want to work just with the tip of the brush, I remove the extra water from the belly. I think it's called the belly, yes. I think I like it.